Hey, what's up guys? I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about zoom in and zoom out and how to move the views. Okay, so what I'm going to do is now to just click on a different space, this space, click on it, on left click on it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that how to zoom in to this. I want to see this cube, for example. I'll select this cube I want, or if I click on the space, this will be deselected. I want to see this cube very closely. What I'll do, I have a mouse, I have to use mouse that the mouse has a wheel. It's like tire, the car wheel. It's like a car wheel shape. So you have to move it up. To scroll up, you should use this wheel. Okay, we will scroll up on the mouse, and you see this is scroll up. It's called this is by using the mouse wheel. And if you want to go back, we will use the scroll down by using the wheel. Okay, this is scroll down. Okay, this is how much far you can go and zoom it in. This is by wheel. Another thing is that we can turn around this. If I want to turn around this cube, I have to press on the mouse wheel or hold my wheel on it and not move it. For example, I will hold my wheel and move the mouse, not the wheel. Okay, so this is what I can see. I can look at top or bottom or all the sides, left, front, back, right, left. Okay, like this. This is by holding mouse wheel. If I want to go up without moving this, without doing this by mouse wheel, I want to go up. What I will do, I will press shift and mouse wheel. Let's see. And yeah, we are going to see the upper view. And if I want to move more, I have to detach my hand or leave my hand from the mouse and the shift and come here and press or hold shift and wheel, and I can go further and I can use my wheel like this. This is by shift and wheel. Okay, I highly recommend you to write down this shortcuts. It will be very useful for you. So if you didn't remember the shortcut, if it's left at home, you can just come here, and this is zoom in. I am holding my left mouse button on it, and I can move the mouse to see zoom in and to make zoom in and zoom out. I can use this one to pan like this, and yeah, and I can use this one as a view if I want to rotate. Okay, that was it. I hope it was helpful, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.